Hey, Teresa, Josh, Caleb, team, whoever's watching this video. I just wanted to walk you through really quick how to see if you have Search Console and Google Analytics set up on the website. What you'll need to do is be logged in to whichever is the primary email that's attached to your business assets. Most likely, I'm going to guess it's probably this NAIC 215 1972. Potentially, Chris or Teresa, your Gmail account may have access to this as well. But just make sure that you are logged into that account and that one only when you're in your Google account. And then just come up to a browser and type in console. Or if that doesn't automatically pop up, type search.google.com, and that will pull it up as well. Most of the time, you're going to get this funky looking screen that looks like they're wanting you to start an account, but just click on Start Now. And if you have Search Console attached to that email address, that website, it's going to show up here in this. And you'll see that I have several on this one account, but you would see the virtuecenter.org showing up here, and you would be able to then click into that and see the data that's attached to Google Search Console. If you do have that, when you're logged in as the admin, come down here to Settings on the left side, Users and Permissions, and then you can click here and Add User, and then you can add me, A Singleton at HyattDigital.com, as an owner right there, and that will give me access to see this information. The process is the same for analytics. Just type in analytics.google.com. Typically, when you just type in analytics, that will come up for you. And again, it will prompt you. Sometimes it will prompt you to get started or something like that. But that again will show up over here. You'll probably just have one, which will be the virtuecenter.org, but that would be your analytics account. Now, what you'll see is most likely if you do have an analytics, it's going to be UA dash something. That's the old style analytics. We now will be switching over to GA4 by July 1st. All of the universal analytics will no longer be in place, and GA4 will be taking over. So if you do or don't have these, no worries. It's not a problem. When we build the new site, we will be setting these up for you, especially if we're going to undertake SEO. That's definitely a part of the process. If you do find that you have an analytics account, the process is the same to add me. Click on admin. It's a little bit different looking on this, but click on admin, and then you can see in the middle right here, it says property access management. Click there, and here's the plus tab where you will add users. Type in my email address, and please give administrator full control of that property so I can see everything I need to see. That hopefully will give you some insight as to what I'm seeing here. See if you guys have those accesses. And I'm not sure what that email was talking about, because I would have received an email inviting me to these assets had I been added. And I have not received an email from either Analytics or Search Console, either one, for the virtuecenter.org. And in fact, the login that I received for virtuecenter.org was just a content editor only. And you can see that I'm a contributor with editor and reporting permissions. And that's where that is. So let me know if there's anything else, and I will talk to you all soon.